Hi friends, thank you so much for coming back to craft with me today, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Alyssa. Today we're making this flip out page folio album, and this could be a 2-sheet wonder if you wanted it to be, but I'll just take you through what it looks like. So on the front, I hand wrote "You are lovely," added some butterfly washi stickers or washi tape down the side, and when you open it up, you have a fun little side pocket. So there are just a few little journaling cards in there. And then I've just paper clipped this journaling card over onto this page and added this little label, which I didn't realize was like a washi label. So you can kind of see the paper through it, but it's kind of cool. I kind of like that. And then this page flips out. So we have some writing space here. I have another journaling card paper clipped over on this side. And then just a few little stickers down below for some extra writing space, or maybe you want to label something and put a photo here instead. And then we'll flip this and we have a pocket over here. So I just have this journaling card, and I think I just used my scraps here to create this. And then there's also a tuck spot in the very back. So this is what you're seeing from the front cover there. So in this little tuck spot, I just have this journaling card with a butterfly at the top, and you can actually tuck more things underneath that. So I just have some extra paper here for journaling. And I'm going to flip it back that way just so you can see it from the front. And then same thing over here. So I just have some more writing space. I've just washi taped this down. And over here I have another pocket. So I have a journaling card and a fun little sticker. And then this page flips out. So I've washi taped another little card here. There's some more writing space. You can write your dreams there if you want. And then there's also another side pocket. So I have some more fun little journaling cards. And you can see I did add a few little stickers here and there. That's some washi tape just for some embellishing. And then there's also a tuck spot here in the very back. So you can kind of see it's open in the middle there. And I just stuck this little card in that tuck spot. So that's going to complete this fun little flip out page folio album. So go ahead and grab some paper and we can create one of these together. Today I will be using the Lovely Days paper pad here by the Paper Boutique. And I actually purchased this on orientaltrading.com randomly. I think I was just Googling different paper pads and this one popped up and I thought it was so pretty, so I had to get it. I actually purchased 2 other paper pads from there as well. So this one is Pastel Dreams. And I've never ordered from there before, but I remember looking through their catalogs when I was a kid. So I don't know. I decided to just give it a go, and I'm pretty happy with everything that I purchased. So this was the other one. I didn't take it out of the packaging, but this is just a Christmas one that I'm going to save for next year. And that's what it looks like. So mini haul here. But anyway, let's just start with the cover of our album. So this is the paper that I'm going to be using. And this just measures 12 inches across by 6 inches tall. So this is going to be a super simple cover. Let me flip it over just so you can see. But we're just going to hold this at the 12-inch side, and we're going to score at 1.5, 6, and 10.5. So 1.5, 6, and 10.5. So these two little strips on the sides, we're just going to fold those in. And these will be our little side pockets. And then we can just fold this in half. So this is going to be my front cover, and it'll open like that. Now we're going to set this aside, and we're going to grab 2 sheets of 12 by 6 again. So these are going to be our inside pages. And I just used a 12 by 12 and cut it in half. You can use 2 different pages if you want, but I'm going to just flip this over, and we're just going to simply score on the 12-inch side at 4 and 8 inches. So 4 and 8, and we're going to do that as well to our other 12 by 6 here. Okay, super simple. And now I'm just going to bring back my cover here just so I can show you what I'm going to do. But basically, just take either one of your 6 by 12s, and I'm actually going to slide this end right underneath the flap here. So that's going to be our side pocket. And then I'm just going to fold this score line over this way. And then I'm going to fold it over again. Okay, so if this edge here is giving you a hard time, you can just cut a little sliver off of this edge, but I just manipulate it and fold it so that it can easily fold up like this. So then we'll have a little flip out page there. So why don't we just go ahead and actually glue this pocket down. Okay. And then I'm gonna stick this sheet right underneath and bring this over. All right, so we have our side pocket here, and then our little flip out page. And then I'm going to just flip this whole entire piece over. And I'm just gonna pop some glue here at the very bottom to create that tuck spot in the very back. And I'll bring it back and just close that up. Okay, so we're pretty much going to do the same exact thing on this side. So I'm going to take back my other 6 by 12 here that we've scored and kind of just do the same exact thing and fold all of my pieces this way now. And once again, fold it this way. And I'm going to glue down my side pocket over here. And glue down the bottom. All right, so then we'll have this side that opens up like so. So if you have single-sided paper like me, obviously some pages are going to be blank. So this is where a 2-page wonder would come in handy. So I am just going to take this 12 by 6 paper, which was the other half from my cover. So I'm going to use this to cover up some of my blank pages on the inside. So what I'm going to do is just cut this down to 4 by 6 once and then twice. So I have 2 4 by 6 sheets here, and you can use these to cover up a whole entire panel like this. And then this last sheet here, which is also 4 by 6, I'm actually just going to cut in half on the 6-inch side. So I'm going to cut it at 3. So now I have 2 of these, which would measure 4 inches across by 3 inches tall. And these little pieces, you can create a pocket on your blank page. So just glue it right down at the bottom and you have a nice little pocket. So that's how I'm going to do this one. And that will use up 2 12 by 12 papers. So let me just start with maybe just gluing this sheet right over top here. And when you do this, you can create a top loading pocket, a side pocket, whatever kind of pocket you want. So, or you can just glue it down completely. I guess I could do a side pocket going this way. Why not? I don't think I did that for my first one. I just glued these sheets down completely, but we're going pocket crazy today. So I just glued down 3 sides here, and I'm gonna place that on this panel. Of course, I want to make sure that everything can still close up. There is some overhang on the side, but I'm just gonna slice that off with my scissors. All right, and then these pages are obviously already covered up. So for this side here, I'm just going to do a little pocket. So again, just glue down 3 sides and you're good to go. And then over here, I'm going to take this 4 by 6 and I think I'll do another side pocket going this way. All right, and then this is the last blank page for me to cover up. So I'm going to take my last little 4 by 3 and do a pocket on this page. All right, so I used up 2 12 by 12s, and that's totally just an option. You can always go through your scraps or whatever you have on hand to cover up your pages. You can put whatever you want on them, whether it's a journaling card for some writing space or photos. You can paper clip some stickers or ephemera pieces in here. And then, of course, don't forget your fun little tuck spots in the back here. But that completes the tutorial for this fun little flip out page folio album. I decided to decorate this off camera because I knew this was going to take me a while. So this is how mine came out. I just layered up some ephemera pieces here on the front, and these are all from Joann's. So it just says magical moments. So let's take a look inside. Here are my first few pages. So in my side pocket here, I just have a journaling card that says hello there, and just a fun little sticker. And then over here we have some journaling space with another ephemera piece. And I created that side pocket over on this side. So I just have one of these little journaling cards that I made with my scraps and a cute little sticker. And then this flips open, and I just washi taped a few different pieces here. So I have a tag and a journaling card, and I just put this little tree down below. It's actually a tuck spot too, so I could probably tuck some more things behind it, but that is the inside there. And over here in my pocket, I just have this little flower and a postcard. And on the front it says, "Do you do what feels good?" So I flipped it this way because I liked the pink border around it, and it went with the pink paper. And then my little tuck spot here in the very back, I just put this larger journaling card. I think this is like a 4x6. And over here, I've just paper clipped this little journaling card that I made. And I just drew my own little lines there and added some flowers to the side. There's also a side pocket on this page. So I just made this little photo mat, or it could be a journaling card that says sweet memories. And I guess I'll do the tuck spot first before we flip through the other pages, but this is just another journaling card as well. And over here was another pocket, so I have just another flower. And then this is a journaling card that says all the details. And then this paper behind it is just a little bulleted list, so you could write some more on there. And I have a side pocket over here, which has "Follow your dreams" and another fun little tag. And then of course this page also flips out, so I washi taped another little card over here that says "You make every day sweeter." And then on my paper clip here, I just have a sticker and another little journaling card. So that is everything for this fun little album. I hope that you guys have enjoyed the tutorial and the flip through of this one. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun and inspiration, and leave me a comment down below. I would love to talk to you and hear what kinds of projects you guys are working on for the new year. So thank you so much for being here, and I will see you all in my next video. Happy crafting and huge hugs to all of you.